Our wonderful OGE smart thermostat has died again. I was just walking through, I got my finger. I was walking through the hallway to grab something, looked to my right and noticed that the OGE thermostat was off again. So it's getting worse. At this point, I think the system just needs to be replaced completely, and OGE needs to learn a lesson from this and do an audit of the system before they put this in, because when they put this in, they are then on the hook, because this was the pushing over point. The amp draw's got to be pretty good because we've got some decent sized caps, holding a good amount of energy. We've got a Wi-Fi type module with an antenna, really small, really small. Just goes to show how small you can make stuff. I should look online and see what the current draw of this is. That'll give me an idea. But their thermostat is pushing my system over the edge. We're back in the mode that it's supposed to be in. It's kind of weird how it turned out. Get that to cycle and see what happens. No, doesn't turn off yet. Not gonna stand here forever, but I wanted to run for a minute, but you saw how fast it jumped up. Not gonna sit and wait for it to crap out again, but it's documented over and over again that this thermostat, in a series of thermostats, has a power draw, and with our unit, it's got quite a few components, so it's already at its near max. I haven't mathed it out yet, but there could be a problem that was there before. But once they put this in, it's them on the hook, because we can't fix I don't know how to explain it, but they shouldn't have put this in if our system had a problem. We don't know if our system had a problem, but the long version short is they put this in. This is causing issues. The first one they put in was wrong. It's cycled, and that caused further problems. So the long version short is they screwed up. They're on the hook. If you have one of these and it's screwing your system up, call them.